What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're going to jump into this day. We're going to try to knock this video out quick. It is very, very cold today. I want to get this done like ASAP. So we're going to jump into this with number one on my list, a Toyota Sienna minivan. I don't know what year it is. Give me a second. I'll have to cheat and use the sticker up there. 175,000 miles on the clock, and if I know my Toyotas correctly, that's very low miles for something like this. This thing will probably last another 100,000 easily. It's an 05. Now, this one I was a little confused about because in the pictures, it had rear end damage. Okay, yeah. So I noticed that the back window was gone, completely shattered. What I thought was very bizarre, though, is that I didn't see any damage, not to the hatch or the tailgate, whatever you want to call this. I didn't see any damage at all to that. I don't see any damage to that bar down there. I can't think off the top of my head what it's called, but look, everything is still intact. Now, full disclosure, it took a little ding here, I guess. Like, there, you can see some paint chip. I mean, a very tiny, we're talking like tap. All right, it took a little tap there. Everything else over here looks to still be straight and in good condition. Look at this. I mean, okay, they really sent it to auction over a dent right there, that's it. I mean, okay, you know, obviously you don't want it to rust or anything, so I would start peeling some of this paint back, sand it down. Once you peel all the thickness off of it, the pieces that are gonna just flake off, then sand it down and then throw some primer over it and probably put the bumper back over it, right? That's what I'm thinking. There's the bumper right there. Maybe that's upside down. No, that's not upside down. This is the way. Hold on. Hell, I don't know which way it goes. Okay, so the other side would be the side that got hit. So let's take a look at that and see how bad the bumper is. It may not be salvageable. I don't know. Let's take a look. Really? Yeah, it's damaged. I wouldn't care. I just wouldn't care. It's not damaged badly. I mean, it's an old van. Put a window back in this. Put the bumper back on it. Go down the road and have a good day. You know what I mean? This will make a great, cheap economy van for somebody. It really will. This will be a great, cheap van for somebody. Let's go ahead and see if she wants to fire up. She does. The dashboard's a little on the rough side there, guys. Wow. Yeah, that dashboard is it's in real bad shape. Like, real bad shape. I mean, aside from that, though, you know, throw a dash cover on it. Goes in reverse, goes into drive. Ugh, it's sticky. It's a little dirty. Aside from that, though, man, not too bad. Not too bad at all. The important window works. Let's pop the hood, if I can find it. There it is. What do you want for a cheap van? It's even got Michelin tires with decent tread. Look at that. Listen to that baby purr. You've even got a timing belt replacement on there. Let's see what that says. Let me hold this hood up real quick. Let's take a peek. Asian timing belt replacement. Date replaced 10/9 of 19 at 124,000 miles. 124,000 miles. So she's got 50,000 miles on that timing belt. I don't know what the interval is on these. I'm going to assume it's probably 100,000. So, yeah. If it's 100,000, I mean, you got another 50,000 miles to go on that timing belt. I'm sure they did it right. New water pump, new idler, tensioners, all of that good stuff. Hopefully, you did it right. This is decent, really is. Another Michelin tire right there with really good tread. This is something that it may be dirty, it may not be in the best shape, but somebody did take care of it. They did. Another Michelin tire. So she's got a full set of Michelins, aside from a cracked dash being a little bit dirty. And I mean, if you really wanted to, you could buy another bumper from a junkyard that matches this color. And that's really all it needs. Throw a dash cover on it and a bumper, and down the road you go. This thing doesn't even have a check engine light, guys. Look at this. No warning lights at all. Nothing. Wow. Got your little key fob and everything, man. It's a good one. Moving on. Next on my list is a 2015 Lincoln MKC. Okay, that's what it says, MKC. I know there's an MKZ. I think there's an MKX. I was not aware there was an MKC. It's too much, man. Too much. What is this? Is it hail or something? Yeah, well, maybe not. It's got a couple hail dings in it, guys. You're not going to be able to see those, I don't think. Yeah, she's definitely got some hail damage. It's not awful. It's not awful, but it's got hail damage. You got Valera Sport Primewell tire up front. Primewell on the back as well. All-wheel drive 2.0 EcoBoost. It's a little Turbo 4. Very nice. It's got a full set of Primewells. It looks good. 105,000 miles on the clock. Not bad at all. I'm not sure this is here for hail, though. Totaled for hail. The hail damage doesn't look that bad. This looks like something you could really fix. I think most of this could be PDR'd, guys. All right, well. Oh, wow. What what happened here? Yeah, it looks like a little farm animal, or some little critter got up under here, made himself a little home. Uh-oh, that's never good. It's got a Motorcraft Max battery in it. So somebody was servicing this very well. Let's see what she looks like back here. It's a small SUV. It's not big, but it's very nice, a luxurious SUV for sure. I like this. I do. Lots of dog hair. That doesn't bother me. I think this hatch may be partially open. Uh-oh, is she dead? Yeah, never mind. I see lots of hail damage. You really got to look at it, and you got to catch it in the right angle. Yeah, this is going to be hail. Lots and lots and lots of hail damage that I didn't catch it. All right, where is the push to start? Yeah, okay. I figured she was dead as a doornail. That's all right. We got a booster pack. Let's throw it on there and see if she runs. Easy as that. She's got juice, and I bet she fires right up. I don't think the hail damage on this one would bother me too much, guys. It really wouldn't. Uh-oh. What? No key. Yeah, that happens. That happens more often than you'd think out here. Yep. The key fob is boy. Well, sometimes you can hold the key fob like by the steering wheel or something. Let's try that. And sometimes... Nope. Well, it seems like no matter what I do, I can't get that key to be recognized. Now, a lot of times you can hold it over here, under here. Sometimes it's over here. And sometimes you touch it to the start button. I've done all of those things, and it's just not it's not recognizing the key. And obviously the key has died because we got nothing. Nothing. I got the hatch to open, and I got it to close again. That sucks, man. There's usually either somewhere that you set the key, or you plug it in somewhere. But I guess I'd have to sit here and go through the interwebs to try to figure out where that is. Look at this gap. This gap is horrible. That is I'm guessing maybe that came factory. No, look how tight it is over here. So there's something going on that other side. Maybe it's been in a previous accident before, because this gap is That's way, I mean, look, it's not even sealed over here, guys. You could put your whole finger in there. Nah, that ain't right. Okay, well, it is what it is, man. We looked at it. Unfortunately, we can't get it to start. So I guess we're gonna move on to the next one. Last on my list, a cheap Chevy Suburban, listed as a non-runner. You guys already know, if it says it doesn't run, we're gonna come out here and take a look at it because it might actually run. Goodyear Wrangler all-terrains with some really good tread. I just took a little ding up here. You could tell, well, maybe this is factory. Never mind. It's just got clear coat peeling. That's fine. It's factory. No odometer. Doesn't run. Has keys. Got some, what looks like practically brand new tires, and they match. This thing's a boat, guys. She's a beast. She is a beast. I like it. So you know what we got to do? We got to put the key in it. See if it runs. What is that? A daggum limousine back over here again. I swear that car keeps finding its way back to Copart. I'm going to assume the battery's dead. We'll go ahead and pop the hood real quick. All right. Well, she does have a battery. A Duralast Gold 78 DLG. 1,000 cold cranking amps. All right. Oh, 1,000 cranking amps. I'm sorry. All right. Let's see what the interior looks like. Oh, boy. Yeah, whoa. Oh, it smells like cigarettes. Heavy. Double vision DVD screens. Oh, wow. Very cool. You got a Boss. Looks like DVD deck down there. You got a VHS. Yes, a VHS. Oh, wow. You got auxiliary inputs as well. Dude, this is cool. Oh, wow, that's not cool. That's not cool. Yeah, she's a little rough. She's a little rough around the edges. Let's put a key in it. Nothing? All right. Well, that's fine. I didn't expect that it was going to do anything. Ooh, I mean, this one really smells like cigarettes, guys. Like it heavy cigarette smoke in this one. We'll throw the jump on it real quick and see if it cranks or if it does anything. I mean, it could be a locked up motor, or it could be something simple like a bad fuel pump, you know. I hate to write these things off just because of what a listing says, you know what I mean? I always prefer to come out here and just check them out for myself and draw my own conclusions. I can't get that open. Jeez Louise. Okay, well, we'll try this, but this is going to be difficult because there's stuff in the way. We'll be back. Well, as soon as I hooked it up, I heard the fuel pump kick in. You could hear fuel filling the line, so we know she's got some juice. We know she's got a fuel pump. Oh, we got the hazard lights on. There we go. Okay. 246,000 miles. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's shut it off. So, oh wow. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. Let's shut this off too. Let's just turn this off. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and I'm gonna say that this vehicle has thrown a rod somewhere. Somewhere. There's gotta be a rod hanging out of the block. I guarantee it. I guarantee you. Yeah, I see it. I see it. It's right down here. I knew it, man. I knew it. It was running way too bad. You could hear it banging and there's no oil pressure. Let me see if I can get you guys down here. Maybe you can check out the hole in the side of this block. Oh, can you see it? No, you probably can't see it. There's oil everywhere under here. Yeah, I don't think you guys can see that. Oh, man. Hold on, let me see if I can get you out of the front bumper. Oh. No. Transfer case and everything is in the way. There's just too much crap under here for you guys to see it anyway. This one is a hell no. Hell no. Not gonna happen. Dang it. I was really hoping, man. You know, but on the plus side, it does run. It does run. Alyssa's a non-runner, but she runs. Now,
Still on it.
okay, Siri. Thank you. Cancel. Damn phone. I didn't even wear my watch today. Look, I didn't even wear my...
Went wrong.
Yeah,
Please
something
try
went...
again.
Something went wrong because you keep damn interrupting me. Cancel that. Stop. Jeez. Anyway, I do like to come out here and check these out for myself, man, because it could have run. It may have run just fine. And if that's the case, hell, I'll throw a bid on it. It's beat up. It smells awful. And yeah, you know, it's just it's overall in really bad shape. But I'd have put a bid on it anyway, regardless. Unfortunately, this is not going to be one for us. We're done. Let's get out of here. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know that you enjoyed the video. I truly appreciate you guys watching. For real. We got a lot of stuff coming up, man. A lot. There's a lot happening, including the limousine. Actually, the limousine may already be out by now. Maybe not. I don't know. But on top of the limousine, I won a 1973 Buick Regal Coupe. It's got like a, the color is it's called a green gold, okay? This is a two-door. It's the first year of, I think they called it the Colonnade or the Colonnade or something like that. It's a two-door with the vinyl roof and white leather interior. It is a beautiful car, but I made the mistake of buying it in Connecticut sight unseen for a whopping $5,800 buy it now. 350 V8, automatic transmission, 3-speed of course, and it's got bias plies on it. Now this car could be a total score. It could be a huge win for us, or it could be a complete rust bucket that's breaking into a million pieces, kind of like Hoovie's Garage's Subaru did. You should never buy anything, especially sight unseen, from, you know, New York, New Hampshire, Delaware, New Jersey. You know, you get the general idea. New England. New England, you really shouldn't buy anything from up there. It's called the Rust Belt for a reason, but I want you guys to stay tuned because I am going to be flying up to New York. And I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to go up there with Lunar Outlaws Garage, who's helping me with this project. And we might be taking Monkey Wrench Mike with us. I'm still waiting to see if he's going to be able to go. But we're going to take a flight to New York, and then we're going to attempt to drive a 1973 Buick Regal Century that's been parked forever. Something like 1,550 miles home in the winter in a car that has not been driven in a long time, bias plies, and gets 10 miles a gallon. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned. We got a lot more to come. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one. And hey, if you don't want to miss these upcoming videos that are going to be really cool, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it. I'll catch you guys later.